Welcome, here we've got LG G8X ThinQ and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here at the center to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to the left corner here now. By tapping on this, we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. And here we have the tag locations option, so by using this button we can easily turn this off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we really want to save the actual location of the picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me keep turning it on all of these settings, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. To check its location we have to go to the right corner, and here we can check it by two ways. The first one is the location information. By tapping on this we can manage it, and as you can see we can show it on map, edit location or remove location. So for example, now let me pick show it on map, and as you can see it directs us to the Google Maps. When we come back and go again to the right corner here, we can also pick the details at the last position. And here we have also the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave that thumbs up.